Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to add a clickable link to your image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. And then we can add the image. We can go to uploads, and then we can upload the image file, or we can use the image that we upload before. I upload this image before, so I select it and add into Canva design. Next, make sure that we select the image and then go to three dots menu, and then we can find link here. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl K to add link. I click it, and then we can link to another page in this document, or we can type the address. For example, I type my address cgn.com, and then we can press done to apply. Next, we can find the link is here, and we can press done. If you want to test it, we can go to full screen, and then we can click again, and then we can go to the web browser. We can go to the link. I go back to Canva design and escape it. So we can select the image again. If you want to cancel it, we can go to edit link, and then we can remove it, or we can edit it. So this is how we can add the clickable link to your image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.